Welcome back to my channel. I have another Shein haul in front of me. I haven't had a YouTube video up for, I don't know, a week or two. I've been so busy. A big surprise coming in April, something I'm part of. So exciting, but I can't give any more information than that right now. So I've been busy doing some reels and videos for that. And you'll see, if you hit that notification bell, of course, you will see this great surprise happening in April. And if you subscribe to my channel, you will also see it. So definitely help me out and subscribe. And if you liked this video and liked everything I received from Shein that I'm sharing with you, please give this a thumbs up. So it will help my channel as well. If you do comment, it really helps me as well if you enjoy my videos. So thank you for those of you who always do and those that are going to help me out and comment now and like my video and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Enough talking, let's get into this bag. You can see it's quite a big bag of goodies, all nail related. So I found some really good things on there. Again, this is the third video I've done of Shein. You can see the first video up in the top right hand corner, and there's a part 2, and I'll call this part 3 because we've got to show all the great Shein stuff. They've come out with so many great things now. And anyways, I'm going to move the bag aside. Of course, Easter is right around the corner, so I had to get some Easter bunny stickers. So let's just open this one up. There's 2 in this package this one comes with. And as you can see, I'm just going to fix my light here. Really cute Easter bunnies. I even like these little, kind of like a wreath. Really cute anyways. And there's 2 of them, and they're the same. Always nice to have 2 though, because if your clients like them, then you can use them a few times. So really like these ones. I also got some water decals or decals, whichever way you want to say it. And these are all Easter too. And I'm just going to pull it out of the package quickly and we'll look at it. So there's one big sheet. So I'm just going to go through the rows. Lots of cute little Easter bunnies and little sayings, some flowers, some carrots, just a bunch of different things you could use for Easter nails. I thought it was so cute. So these, of course, you put in water, you soak them, or you put them on a stamper and stamp them on the nail using water. It's whatever you like. So really cute. So there's 12 little water decals. I'm going to cut them out and put them in my book, my small book with the little squares. And then they'll be ready to go if somebody wants one of them. I'm just going to show you this quickly. I shared this in one of my other Shein videos. So there is 50 gloves. These are the gloves. I love the color of them. And I also bought a container. I'll grab my container to show you. This is also from Shein. And so I put them in here, and I'll do that right now. And this is why I purchased a bigger, it's like a Kleenex container, but it fits a lot, right? So now they're ready to go again, and I just pull them out of here as I need them. They also have the cute little buffing blocks that I use for each client and then throw away when we're done. And I think there's probably, I'm thinking 50 in here. I don't want to count them right now, but these are the ones I use. So I was glad to see Shein carries them. I find Shein comes a little quicker than AliExpress, which is nice. So I needed some, so I ordered them. So here's something a little different I've never shown before, but these are to put on your dust collector as a filter. So if you don't want to use your filter, but you want to have something on top of the actual fan to catch the nail dust, then you put these on top. I'll open it up and bring one out so we can see the size of them. This is them. They're really thin, but they're going to be perfect. The air is still going to get through, but they're going to collect the dust. I'll grab my dust collector and we can put one on there. So here's my dust collector. So what you can do is stick it right on top. And then when you're done, you can just pick it up and throw it in the garbage instead of getting your actual filter dirty. I'm going to try it without the filter to see how it does too. So say we take the filter out and then we place it on top. Maybe that's going to work and we won't even need to buy new filters. We can just use these. But so just watch future videos and I will tell you my thoughts on this as I use it. But I think it's going to be a good idea. And then just throw them away when you're done. Just pick up the dust and throw it away. So that's those. Again, I don't know how many. You'll have to look at the link and you can see. It looks like there's a lot. So I got some more of the replacements. These are sanding type bands. They go on a flat disc, and this is how I shorten any coffin or square nails, or somebody that's going from oval to coffin or square. Then I would use this. I'll show you the bit I use. So this is the bit that they go on. So you pull the back off, it's sticky, and then you stick it down on here. And I do have reels where I've used this, so check out my Instagram. I'll have it down in the description. I did 1 or 2 reels showing how to shorten or how I shorten with this. Definitely check that out, but I love these. And these are, I think, well, these are 100 grit, and so are these. So I got 200 grit ones. I thought this was a good idea too. So these are little sticky tabs to put on your, I'll show you. So if you're doing a design and your tips on here, I just have some sticky stuff on here, but so you can take these and stick them on here and then put your tips on. I thought that was a good idea. And how many are in here? I have no idea. Let's open it up quick and look. So it looks like there's 2 sheets of them. Yeah, I don't know the number altogether, but again, that link will be down below. It's a like to know it link that I put all my Shein links on. So it'll be in the description under products and video, and it'll say like to know it, and it's a link, and that's the link you click, and then it'll take you to every link of what I show in this video, if that makes sense. It's just easier to put everything together in one spot than having a bunch of different links. So if you're wondering, that's what you click. These are really nice though. They'll be really good for that. So I was happy to see they have these cleanup brushes with the dotting tool on the side, and I'm gonna open it so you can see this better. So it was in the tube, but now it even has the protective cap on it, but it's a nice cleanup brush. I like using them for that. You could use them for gel or colors or whatever, but that's my choice. That's why I purchased it. But I do really like these brushes. I'll put it back. It came in that nice little tube, so it'll protect it better. And I've never gotten polish from there, but I have the darndest time getting a nice navy polish. So let's see if this is going to be a nice one. It's one of the brands I have, and it's it looks like it's 090. I'll show you the bottle. So there's the bottle. It's nice. ZJ, what UV gel polish, not sure company, but let's see if it's a nice navy. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's not quite as dark as I'd like, but it's darker than some of the ones I have. It's so hard to get a nice navy. If you guys know where I can get a nice navy, please put it down in the comments. So this said it was a silicone mat, and I don't know the size offhand. Again, you're gonna have to look this up in the description, but let's open it up and take a look. So this one would be nice if you wanna show a different background behind it, but yet protect the background when you're working. So you can see I have it over my marble background, my paper, and yeah, you can't even tell it's there. It is a nice silicone. It'll protect whatever you're working on, what surface you're working on, if you want it just on your desk, or if you do wanna put something below it. So I do like it. I'm just gonna pull my camera back here to show you the size of it. So you can see there's the one side, it goes to there, and then size wise this way we've got here to here. So fairly big mat. So I do like it, just so you know. Now this is a tweezer, and I'll just open it. I like the fact that it comes in the containers. I'm actually gonna grab my other one. I bought 2 of them. They're the same, so I'll grab the one I have open. But it is packaged nice. So here's the one I have open, and here's the tweezer. I love this tweezer because when you hold it together. It's a nice tight point to it. And it does come with a cover, which I have. I just don't have it on there right now. So it's got one of those little silicone covers. So if you take it out, you're not poking yourself, but it's really great for picking up stickers. I actually use it for my cluster lashes because it's so pointy. And anyways, this one's in my bathroom for that reason, but this one I will be using for nail art for picking up stickers because it has such a fine point and it will pick them up really nicely. So yeah, that's that. I was really excited to see that they had these. So these are gradient powders, nail enhancement gradient powders. So let's take a look. I like the colors. Oh wow, they give you all of the brushes you need, the makeup applicator brushes, so that's nice. And look at the colors, how pretty. I'm not even gonna open it right now. I do wanna use it, so I will do ombre nails with this, summer ones. I like the fact that it has more of pastel colors than the really, really bright ones. This one's bright, but the rest are not too bad, and you could gradient them together. You could do aurora nails, I think that's how you say it. Like, so the color, you can put it on in the middle of the nail, and that's really pretty. That's a big trend right now, but really glad I got this. I'm excited to try it out, and I'm really happy to see they sent those brushes with it. So still have a few more things to show you. So I love stamping, you know, I do it a lot. And I found a cute little plaid stamping plate, so it came in the plastic. I just really like this one, just the diamonds. I don't have a lot with the diamonds like that, and I thought that would be really nice to have. So that's that one, and I have another one here. I'm gonna open it to show you. It tells you kind of how to use it. So this one is more Valentine's than anything, but I thought it was so cute. So we've got the cute lips. You've got love, more loves, lots of hearts. Little champagne glasses are nice. Perfect Valentine's one. You could use this all year though. Hearts get used a lot, lips get used. Use some of these all year. Champagne glasses could be used at New Year's. Really a cute plate. I'm hoping this is gonna work. So here is a scraper for stamping. It's actually really nice. It's thick, it's not too flimsy. And this is what I bought that I thought would be so neat to try. So this is a stamper, of course. I'll pull the top off. Nice squishy stamp. But what happens with this, which is really, really neat, is you can make your stamp, once it's stamped, you can make it smaller by going, I think, up, yes. And you can make it larger by going the other way. So if you needed that exact image and it's too big, then you can make it smaller before you stamp it. But I thought that'd be really neat if it actually works, so you can get different sizes of the same image. Definitely want to try that one. So you can see everything I shared in the video in front of me, minus the nitrile pink gloves, the 50 pack, because I put them away, but otherwise everything's here. I love everything I got. Once again, really, Shein has stepped up a lot on their nail art. I am so impressed. I love the gradient powder, and the tweezers are really nice. I like the water decals, the stickers. They have so many stickers on their site. The little filters for the nail dust collector, I think I'm gonna like those. I even really like the silicone mat because I can put other things behind it and it'll protect it when I'm using them. I can't wait to try the stamping plates, that stamper. Wow, pretty amazing. I think it'll be really neat to have. And I wanna thank you once again for watching. Again, if you did like the haul, please give me a thumbs up and comment in the description if you have a good navy polish that you can tell me where to purchase. Also, could you subscribe to my channel? I'd really appreciate that, and I'll see everybody in the next one.